Myself Vaksaur PS. Today we are going to study the operation on rational number, that is part second. So operation on rational numbers. To divide one number by another number is to multiply the first by the multiplicative inverse of the other. So when we are dividing number, for example 2 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 6, what we do? 2 upon 3 multiply, we take inverse of this, that is 6 upon 5. So here you will have 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, that is 4 upon 5. Second example, if you have 9 upon 10 divided by 5 upon 6, what, how you will write? That is 9 upon 10 into this, you will take a reciprocal 6 upon 5. So here you have 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, then you will write 9 into 3, 5 into 5, that is 9 3s are 27 upon 25. In this way we are writing a reciprocal of it. Now I am going to tell you about the multiplicative inverse. Now here you see we have page number 35. We have seen that 5 upon 6 and 6 upon 5, that is 2 upon 11 and 11 upon 2 are the pair of multiplicative inverse. What we write here? Here numerator you have 5 and denominator 6. So you write here first 6 upon 5. Similarly, minus 5 upon 4 into minus 5 upon 5. So this 4 will cancel. You will have answer 1. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. 2 minus, so you will have positive answer. In same way, 7 minus 7 upon 2 into minus 2 upon 7 is 1. 5 upon 4 and minus 5 upon 4 are also minus 4 upon 5, as also minus 7 upon 2 and minus 2 upon 7 are the pair of multiplicative inverse. Similarly, we write such a pair. But when we are writing, now here see, they have given that product of minus 11 upon 9 and 9 upon 11 is minus 1. So how it is? Oh, there they have given you an example such as minus 11 upon 9 and 9 upon 11. So when you will multiply it, 9 into 9 upon 11, this 11 will be cancelled 9, but here you have a minus sign, so its answer will be a minus 1 and not 1. So it is not a pair of multiplicative inverse. Now for example, if you want to write a answer to the question given, now practice set 22, you have given a question number 4, write the multiplicative inverse, that is question number 4. Write the multiplicative inverse. So here what you will do for a first example is 2 upon 5. You will write that 2 upon 5. Now here you will write the multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2. In the same way, you will write minus 70 upon 39, the multiplicative inverse of minus 70 upon 39 is 39 upon minus 70. In this way, you will solve a question number 4 of textbook page number 36. Now question number 5. Question number 5, practice set 22. You have first example 14 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. What you will do? 14 upon 12 into 4 upon 10. So here you have did a reciprocal of it. 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are 2 twos are 4, 2 6 are. Now here again 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are. So it will be 4 upon 3. Second example, you will have minus 7 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 6. Here what you will do? Minus 7 upon 8 into 6 upon minus 3. Now if it is minus 7, now what you will do? 2 4 2s are 8. Here you will write 2 3s are 6 minus 3. So this will be cancelled here. 2 2 will be cancelled. You will have here minus 7 upon 4 into minus 1. So here is minus. So you write minus 7 upon minus 4, which is equal to 7 upon 4. In this way you will solve question number 4 and 5. Now I will explain you more about the numbers. Now let us look at the characteristics of various group of number. Discuss them in the class to help you complete the following table. Consider the group of rational numbers, integers and rational number. In front of each group, write the inference you make after carrying out the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using a right or wrong. Remember that you cannot divide by 0. First, if rational numbers are added, their sum is also a rational number. Now example, they have given a group of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now you want to mark here. However, we subtract one number. Now here subtraction is given 7 minus 10. So minus 10, when you will subtract it, your answer is negative because you have a negative number. Smaller number is 7 and minus 10 is large. So here it is wrong. In the same way, integer, you can add the number. When you do this, you will write a correct sign there. Subtraction you will do same way you will do a subtraction. Division also, multiplication also, here also all you will have correct. Now in division you will have a integer. It may, if in integer, if it is divided by 0, we cannot divide it, so it will be wrong, and here you will have correct. Now here they have given you that to know about the number. Now a group of rational number is closed for addition, multiplication, but not for subtraction and division. In other words, the difference of any two natural number or the quotient obtained on dividing one rational number by another will not always be a rational number. The group of integer is closed for addition, subtraction, multiplication, not for division. The group of rational number is closed for all the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. However, we cannot divide by 0. So any number, if number is given, we cannot divide by it by 0. In this way, we have complete here. You solve practice set 22, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 completely.